3, go.
The question is, what is your greatest learning experience in Speech 103 in terms of content and learning strategy? In terms of content, there are a lot of things that were new to me which I have acquired from this course. One of which is making a solid argument. Learning how to create an argument, even if it opposes my belief, is also vital because in our class, we don't get to choose which side we will be defending. But more than that, on learning strategy, Mr. Joven has been consistently rubbing onto us that we should read and read and read. I really think that it's the secret behind great debaters and it will make you more capable of creating arguments. For example, Mr. Joven Castro gave us many activities and oral exams that will help us hone our skills in formulating arguments about several and different motions and sides. There's this one time that we had an activity wherein we pick our motions on the spot. I think it's one of our best activity because it tests our minds to think quickly. The motion I picked during that time was about not allowing students to use social media inside the school premises. It was really hard for me to formulate an argument in such a short span of time, but the articles that I have read in the past helped me construct arguments easier. Also, there are motions that are not familiar to us, but if you read something about that or something related to it, it will be easier for you to formulate arguments. I really believe that my greatest learning experience in this course is making an argument and reading lots of materials that can be used not only for this class but for the rest of our lives. I think that really made it great. That's it. Thank you.